Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So this is a card share video showing a couple of cards that I made from the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Spring Garden collection. And I didn't purchase much, just a couple of the sheets of paper, and then I also purchased some chipboard. So let me show you the chipboard. So here's the chipboard. It's really pretty clusters here, and if you haven't seen these, they're super pretty. And I was sitting here getting ready to start this video, and I noticed that this says Simple Vintage SPLRING Garden. So I think they got a little typo on there. So I think it's supposed to be just spring and not spring, whatever they're spelling here. I think that's funny. So that's the chipboard. And then I also picked up a couple of sheets of the paper. And here is like one of the pieces. This is the gingham collection here, and it's the petunia. And then I also picked up another piece, and this was the buttercup. So super pretty piece called the buttercup gingham. And then I think that's all I picked up. Oh, there was one other sheet, but I kind of used it so you can see a little bit of it. And it's this red. And then also this one here. So I've used it, so I don't have the title of it. But if you look on scrapbook.com, they have all of the papers there, so you won't be hard to find. So that's the Simple Story Spring Garden. So on the cards that I'm going to show you, I also used the Honeybee Stamps Beach Vibe Gem stickers. And then I used this cute little stamp and die set from Jaded Blossom, and this is Blessed Easter outline dies, and then the Blessed Easter die set, stamp set. So super cute. Look at this little bunny. Isn't that adorable? But I love the font that they used on all of the sentiments, so I really like this set a lot. So let me share the card with you. So here's the card. So what I did was I cut out the floral from one of the pieces of the paper that I purchased for this collection, and I just kind of like cut them both out, and then layered them, and then pop this one up with foam tape. And then there are the honeybee stickers, or the gem, sorry. And then there is the Jaded Blossom sentiment. So I think this turned out really pretty. I really like this card quite a bit. So let me know below what you think. And have you made very many Easter cards this year? I've been kind of trying to, make mine and send them out, get them sent out, because Easter is rolling in fast. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.